Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Can you get out of there?
No.
And the more you pull, the more it hurts, right?
Right.
Watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to take the key, put it right in here in the top, it comes right out. Okay? Now, Sammy, can you hold that? Or you can hold that? That way you can operate the camera? Go ahead and put that on me as tight as you can. Alright? And seriously, like, if you can do it tighter than I did you, then that's okay.
Hurt him.
It's okay. Will it go any tighter? I don't think it will, but try. Okay. Here's what we're going to do. Go ahead and cover me up. Alright, just my hands though. I know. I just wanted to get closer. Alright, now look. Stand right over here for me, okay? I'm going to get out of this. It's going to be nearly impossible. Alright? There you go.
Put it on wherever you want to go?
Just my hands, remember? Now look, it's going to happen. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. I'm going to get right out of this, Sammy. Sammy hasn't even gotten it yet. This was so...
Wait a minute.
Usually it's the blonde that doesn't get it.
I saw you do it the first time, but I didn't want to ruin your trick.
Oh, it's okay. All right, cover me up. Last time. Now listen, can you guys yell in the restaurant for me? Do you know how to do that? You can yell and go crazy. You can say abracadabra and all those kinds of things.
Abracadabra.
That's not even nearly that. You know better than that. All right, look. 1, 2, 3, abracadabra, just like that. Nobody's even going to look. How am I going to do this trick if nobody's looking? Here.
Oh my gosh, you're crazy. Where'd it go?
You are crazy.
I don't know. That was unbelievable. Give her a little clap there, guys.
Woohoo! Thanks, Jana.